Little puppy loves the garden. By Kayla. Little puppy loves the garden. Here is little puppy. Little puppy is playing in the garden. She is alone. Little puppy likes to dig holes in the garden and play fetch. When little puppy digs holes, his owner gets upset. Here is little puppy. Little puppy is feeling happy because he is playing in the garden with his friend Puppy Pup. Puppy Pup does not like hide and seek. He does not want to play anymore with little puppy anymore. Little puppy is sad. He has no friends to play with. Puppy Pup went to find a new friend called Duck Duck. And little puppy went to find a friend called Duck Duck. They were happy.